Alarms can transmit commands to the data taker in the same way that we transmitted these commands earlier in the tutorial. So let's look at that. This particular example, we're going to change the rate of logging. Now, I have changed the rate, the standard scan rate, from 1 second to 5 seconds up here. What I'm going to do is check the channel variable, which is controlling the adjusted temperature, and that channel variable 3, we don't need to do the calculation again, by the way, we've already done the calculation up here. We're going to check that channel variable. When the adjusted temperature goes beyond 30 degrees, we're going to scan at 500 T, which is 500 thousandths of a second, or 0.5 Hertz. So let's hit this button here. When the adjusted temperature, which is 3 CV, is greater than 30 degrees, the command we're going to issue is RA500T. Click OK. When the adjusted temperature, which is channel variable 3 again, is below 30 degrees, we're going to RA5S. So, just going through that, the temperature is measured, the result is put into 1 CV. The resistance is measured, it's converted to an angle, and then put into 2 CV. Those two channel variables are then used to calculate 3 CV. We then have, when 3 CV exceeds 30 degrees, we're going to run the scanning at 500 thousandths of a second, which is 0.5 Hertz. And when 3 CV is less than 30 degrees, we're going to run the scanning at 5 seconds. So let's see how that goes. Click on Program, Send to Connection. Click Window and Text Window. Now, we're taking measurements. Right, now we need to set an angle which is around 90 degrees. You can see the readings are fairly slow. So let's set our angle to around 90 degrees. Now we need to increase the temperature such that the adjusted temperature goes beyond 30. There we go. Now you can see we're taking readings every half second, and when that falls below, we're now taking readings every 5 seconds.